We are Plant 72 and this is our Just Fix It. These are our Tesser pots. We were having issues wiring them down and going through our tank cleaning process. And paint as well, they would get loose and fall off the rack. So we had to come up with an idea to keep them in place through painting process. So in the next clip, we will explain our before and after Just Fix It and what we did.
This is a Tesla area, and our Just Fix It here is we went from wiring everything to which took quite a bit of time. Now we changed everything to wires and springs, and it speeds up the process significantly.
Our plant saved time and money on the weight and issues with racks. So thank you for watching this episode of Just Fix It. We are Plant 72.